guys, I'm back in Dallas. I'm so excited. We are getting ready to go out tonight. I had the longest day. I didn't even film anything coming in because it was a nightmare. Look at, we got ranch water. It was a nightmare coming in. I missed my second flight. My luggage was on that flight and it was a whole disaster. But the girls picked me up and it was so good when they came and got me. Traveling alone can be definitely hard at times. Oh, a little OOTD. This is a little misguided piece. So we're going into a Burger King to use the bathroom. I think I already refuse to walk inside a Burger King. Casey and I are going in. Hi.
The Texas sun.
I'm gonna want chicken nuggets if I walk in this place. We're getting a 20 piece. So.
20 chicken nuggets before we go.
So we're getting chicken nuggets. Tina, she wants food. Why not? We have so much. We got all these fries. We are at 311. They just brought us over these cute little water jugs. This is how it looks from the outside. It's so cute.
I think we should do it. Oh my god, we should.
It's the Paloma Labrad. Chicken Caesar salad with steak.
What chicken?
Wait. Chicken Caesar salad with steak. No chicken. This is what?
I think it's a ribeye.
This is the meal that one needs after a day like today.
Oh, yeah.
And then this is the filet. It looks amazing. Good morning. I'm trying to prop up my tripod. It's day 2. Just getting ready. Have my coffee. You know the drill. So I'm trying today the Sephora Rouge Velvet Cream Lip Stain. Excited to try it. It's like a pinky. So I like the lip. Definitely light. I wore the Kylie by Kylie lip liner and it looks really good. And these are Lily lashes. It looks good. Different for me for sure. I like it. It's 71 already. It's gonna be a really nice day. We are going to a cute little cafe called Dahlia. So we'll bring you with us. We're on the way. And my pretty girls.
We finally made it.
Yeah, so we're only a little late this time, but they're good with it. We have a fun day.
I know, a full hour late.
Full hour late.
It's just close. It's so cute. We literally missed our reservation. Yeah. So Marty thought of the most amazing idea to Venmo this girl. We don't want to get her in trouble. $100 to get this table. So the hostess. We got the money. Cheers. Okay, this is the lobster benedict. I mean, it looks unreal. These were the tacos. I just added avocado, no meat. Another board because we're crazy. And then this is
salmon.
Salmon!
On a croissant.
That looks amazing.
Yes.
Oh, wow. This is the chef and he just brought us over shot.
Do you go by Fredo or
Alfredo.
Here, get your shot.
Woo, thank you. Divine. I'll tag Dahlia. Cheers.
So far this place has been absolutely amazing. The chef came over, brought us shots. The food was unbelievable. Apparently it's a newer place. Yeah, we're obsessed with the social media. Everything is the presentation is unbelievable. Everyone has been beyond nice here and we just highly, highly, highly recommend it. This is the inside vibe. Super, super cute, obviously. The bar, everything. Amazing here. We just figured that at this point we might as well just keep it on with the Virgin Hotels phenomenon.
I want that good life. I want that sweet life. I want that fancy life. I don't want to live a fast life.
I'm obsessed with these chairs. Yeah, sorry, I'm just vlogging.
They make you bless my way, as I know we like so.
Made it to the Virgin Hotels. Bathing suit is from Forever 21. This is from Windsor. Camera scan. Love you. Thank you so much for your tag.
Yeah, love y'all. Divas.
Okay, we just got to SUPLY Dallas.
Yeah.
Okay, love you. We'll see you on the vlog. Alright, love you. Bye.
That's all for she said.
Hi, bitches. I love that you brought all of your outfits. It's just amazing to me.
It's from the Virgin Hotel. Ew, why? Why am I like this?
We're at HG Supply Co., a popular hotspot for the Dallas local hipster kids.
I'm the one that has your job.
Really kind of cool. Oh, okay.
Good morning, good afternoon. We are taking some headshots for Martina's business. I'm using my camera. It's actually really good at headshots. So we're doing that, and then today we're actually headed to Restoration Hardware, Dallas, which I'm so excited about. It is gorgeous out. Are you kidding? Weather is perfect. It's so beautiful out. It was supposed to rain, but it didn't. So we're really excited about that. And Larry wants to say hi. Say hi, Larry. Hi. So excited. Marty's office is so cute. So we're gonna take pictures of them working in here. Oh, there's Lou. Hi, Lou. Hi. You wanna say hi? Yeah. Thank you. We're finally getting in the car. It is almost, what, 2:30? We're on our way to the Restoration Hardware. We're so excited. The girls did a lot of work this morning. They were killing it. And we're going to happy hour now.
stunning, obviously. Oh wait, girls, come here. Unbelievable. Girls, wow, 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 wow.
Some say go left, some say go right. I'ma do what I want, do what I like. Can't box me in, I'ma cross that line. Do what I want, do what I like.
So the chairs roll around a bunch. We're just realizing. This is the little cheese board that they offer.
I'll play you anything you like.
Put the stone right in front of you so you can see it.
Thank you so much.
Coming so quickly.
Okay, lobster roll.
Strawberry puree.
Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
Today. We haven't ate one thing today. We're literally starving. Vlogging's hard when you're this hungry. I love you.
Yeah. I love how, let's just go to every city and do.
This place is gorgeous. So you can't sit outside to eat and drink, but you can sit out here just to hang. So it's just an extension of the furniture store. So you can come out here, check it out. So cute. Great views, literally obsessed with all the restoration hardwares. It is a gorgeous day outside right now. Great for photo ops. This is like unbelievable weather, and I leave tomorrow, so this is like, oh I know, came out for us. I believe that's waterproof. Look at, oh my god, I love that. How cool is that? Yeah, she looks hot.
This is very Manhattan. The food smells good for someone who ain't hungry.
So we got mojitos and margs because they're half off. That's what Monday's dealio is here at the Sky Blossom. What is this, Marty?
Steamed dumplings.
Steamed dumplings, and this is the
Cheese wonton.
cheese wontons. So the food's looking right. Again, Mondays they have like a happy hour deal. Wow, so these are the spring rolls. They look so good. We got 2 orders. A drink. So excited. This place is so cute. Tequila shot chilled, yeah.
Not dark, white.
White.
We're ready.
Honey, we're not ready.
We're ready.
Cheers! We're at Sky Blossom doing shots!
Cheers to an all-time high.
Just packed up everything. I had such a fun trip, and if you have any questions, just let me know.